In this video I will show you how to clean leather car seats. Cleaning leather car seats requires a gentle touch to avoid damaging the material. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you clean your leather car seats effectively. Materials needed. 1. Mild leather cleaner or a mixture of water and mild soap, like a gentle dish soap. 2. Soft bristle brush or a clean, soft cloth. 3. Microfiber towels or clean, lint-free cloths. 4. Leather conditioner, optional. Process. 1. Vacuum. Start by vacuuming the seats to remove loose dirt, crumbs, and debris. Use a soft brush attachment to avoid scratching the leather. 2. Check for stains. Identify any specific stains or areas that need special attention. Different stains may require different cleaning methods. 3. Test the cleaner. Before applying any cleaner, test it on a small, inconspicuous area to ensure it doesn't discolor or damage the leather. 4. Clean with mild solution. Mix a small amount of mild leather cleaner with water or use a dedicated leather cleaner according to the product instructions. Dampen a soft cloth or sponge with the solution and gently clean the seats. Avoid soaking the leather, a slightly damp cloth is sufficient. 5. Scrub gently. For stubborn stains, you can use a soft bristle brush. Brush gently to avoid scratching the leather. Work in small, circular motions. 6. Wipe clean. Wipe the seats with a clean, dry microfiber towel or cloth to remove any excess moisture and cleaner. Make sure the seats are completely dry before moving on to the next step. 7. Condition, optional. If your leather seats are looking dry or dull, you can apply a leather conditioner to restore moisture and shine. Follow the conditioner's instructions, and remember that not all leather seats require conditioning. 8. Repeat as necessary. Depending on the level of dirt or stains, you may need to repeat the cleaning process. It's better to do a gentle cleaning more often than to let dirt build up. 9. Protect from sunlight. Leather can be sensitive to sunlight. Whenever possible, park your car in the shade or use a windshield sunshade to prevent direct sunlight on the leather seats. 10. Regular maintenance. Consider cleaning your leather car seats regularly as part of your car maintenance routine to keep them in good condition. Remember that the key is to be gentle and avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the leather. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning and care. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.